Welcome to DelphStack. In this tutorial, you will learn how to resize images quickly and easily using the perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want to process image without opening heavy graphic tools. To quickly and easily resize images using the Ubuntu command line, we will use a tool called ImageMagick. First, let's install it. For this tutorial, I'm going to resize an image named screenshot.png. Let's check its current dimensions. To resize the image, run the following command. This will create a new image file with the specified size. Now let's verify the resized image. The aspect ratio. So the final size may slightly differ from the aspect dimensions you provided, and that's it. Today you'll learn how to resize images easily on Ubuntu. Like and subscribe to DelphStack for more Linux tutorials.